Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Market Review. And this episode we're going to be talking about why the entire crypto market is down. And as you all know, the reason why the entire market is down is because Bitcoin is down in price as well. So we're going to be covering why, and we're also going to be covering the opportunities that present themselves because of this dip. And if you don't know what I'm talking about by buying the dip before they happen, I'm also going to have a video at the top right corner of your screen and in the description below where you can go watch it. You will learn how to buy, sell, and do all that kind of stuff so that you'll be able to take advantage of these opportunities right before they happen. So with that being said, let's get into the video and see why the overall crypto market is down by this much. So it says here, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices have fallen sharply as the discount shopping event Black Friday kicks off, dropping along with stock markets around the world that have fallen on fresh fears over the new COVID-19 variant. Okay guys, so this is the main reason why the entire crypto market, including stocks as well. So this COVID-19 variant actually came from South Africa. It originated from South Africa and then it has spread in a few countries. I think China also has it as well, but I do not want to be spreading fake news. So I'm going to have in the description below news that talk about it, or you can just go do the research yourself. But basically there is a new COVID-19 variant, and because of this, the crypto markets and the stock market around the world are also falling off as well. Now, why will the crypto market along with the stock market also fall because of a new COVID-19 variant, you may ask? Well, let's look at why. I'm going to be reading to you from this part here right now. So it says here, because of the institutional love affair, Bitcoin is substantially vulnerable to moments of exits from risky assets when it sells off everything, regardless of the outlook. And its severe sell-off risks dragging the entire crypto market down with it. So let me explain exactly what this is. So basically, for a while now, if you're new to the cryptocurrency market, institutions have been buying Bitcoin for a very long time now. They've been buying it since as far back as $10,000 or $20,000 thereabout, right? Now, basically, during times like this, when there seems to be uncertainty, these institutions or big investors tend to kind of get off risky assets, right? At least, maybe not by everything, but they do tend to kind of sell off a little bit during times like this. And during times like this where there's a new COVID-19 variant and laws within countries are not sure how they're going to go about it, basically uncertainty, right? These institutions do tend to sell off risky assets, and Bitcoin is still recognized as a risky asset, right? And even the stock market as well is still recognized as a risky asset because it is investment after all, right? So those guys, they do tend to kind of like sell off a little bit to hold some cash during times like this, and then once the market sells off, of course they'll buy in at a cheaper price, of course, and then the market starts to resume its bull trend again. So that's why they say Bitcoin is substantially vulnerable to the movements of exits from risky assets, right? Because it's still considered a risky asset. Even the stock market as well is still considered a risky asset. So basically, that is why the entire crypto market is down. But all this doesn't actually really matter because not long after this, the entire crypto market will start recovering again. So it's not really a big deal at the end of the day. This is why I make my videos showing you guys where to buy the dip before they happen. So basically, that's why Bitcoin is down. And obviously, this is not financial advice. This is the time that you should actually be buying Bitcoin instead of selling it. Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin, the one that started it all. So Bitcoin, obviously, due to the news, fell all the way from $58,000 down to $53,500. Now, if you guys remember last week, I told you guys to actually set a buy limit at $52,500 or $53,000. The market didn't quite get there, but if you've not bought into the market yet, or you've not bought any dip at all since when the market started falling all the way from $69,000, I would say now is still a good price to actually get in. Basically, at $55,000, it's a good price to actually get into the market. But for those of you who are already into the market, bought the dip somewhere around $58,000 or $59,000, as I told you guys to do the last time, which most of you are currently going to be in the market, I will still tell you to leave a buy limit at $52,500 or $53,000 because chances are the market could still dip down towards that area, because that is actually where the support is. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. And for those of you last week that watched my videos last week, of course you would be into the market right now. I told you guys to actually adjust your buy limit from $39.50 to $4,000. So those of you who actually did, you're definitely in the market right now, because you can see Ethereum has recovered and it's currently sitting at $4,100. And those of you who still actually kept the buy limit at $39.50, you're definitely into the market as well. Now, if Bitcoin drops a little further due to this COVID-19 new variant news, you could actually still see the market coming down towards the $3,600. So you definitely want to keep your buy limit at that spot as well. Now, let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is one that I've not covered in a while, but it has been falling all the way from its high of 0.00008, right? Fell all the way down to 0.00003. Right, so that is a lot of retracements. So if I should see the percentage that has fallen by, that would be a 60% drop in price. So if you guys remembered, in the last time I covered it, I told you guys to set a buy limit at different prices around this, from I think from around 0.7 all the way down to maybe 0.5. You guys can go watch that video. But obviously the market has fallen down since then. So I would say this, right? If you still got some money to spare for a meme coin, that is Shiba Inu, it's actually currently sitting at a good price, because right now it's sitting at support, right? So that is why I said it's actually a good price. If you've got some money to spare, I'll definitely get into Shiba Inu at this price. But being that it's a meme coin, if you've bought during this area, when I told you guys to buy it the last time, you probably don't need to buy at this area. But like I said, if you've got some money to spare, you can definitely do that, because right now it's actually at support. So you can just buy it right now at present prices. You do not need to really do anything. But be cautious, because being that it's a meme coin, it could still drop further. Now let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano, last week I covered this as well, I think. And I told you guys to set a buy limit at $1.48. Those of you who actually did, I'm sure you would see that you're not into the market yet, because the market only drops to $1.49, right? So if you're not in yet, well, the market currently sits at $1.56. So you have two choices. Still leave your buy limit as it is at $1.48, because there's a chance that if Bitcoin drops just a little further towards the $52,500 level or $53,000 level, we could definitely see Cardano dropping towards the $1.48, and then it can definitely get us into the market. Or you could actually buy the market right now at $1.56, because if you guys remembered, I told you guys to set a buy limit at $1.95, and obviously those of you who did would be into the market, and then the market obviously fell from that price, and then we now currently sit at $1.56, which is like an almost 30% drop from that price. So if you're really keen to actually get into the market, you can just buy it at present prices, or just leave your buy limit as it is. Now let's talk about these Metaverse cryptocurrencies. Metaverse has been like the buzzword in the cryptocurrency space for the past couple of weeks now, which sees a lot of their cryptocurrencies just going up in value. And one of them that seems to have gone up a lot in value from just last month is called Sand. It's called the Sand token. So Sand has gone up from around 64 cents just about a month ago, right? And it has gone on by, I would say, 1,000%, right? It has gone up by 1,277% from its low of just 60 cents. So which means if you put $100 to buy the Sand token about a month ago, you would have over $1,000, or at least you would have made over $1,000 at its peak. Now, the market is currently down by, I would say, 27%. So almost 30%. The market is down by that much. I've been watching this for a while now, and the market just seems to have been running from $2. It came to $2 at November, just a few weeks ago. It came to $2, and it has been running up since then. Went to its high of $8. So being that the market has run up so much, of course, you guys know when the market has run up so much and I do not have a place to actually place a support, or the support level is just too far away. Like for example, the support level is actually at $3. Maybe let's just say $3.20 or $3.10, right? That is where the support level is. Chances are the market may not come back down there anytime soon. So I do place my levels very close to price. So that is why I draw my Fibonacci line. So basically what a Fibonacci line is, it detects or it determines the average of an entire move. So since the market came down here, right, and it started going up since then, and it has not come down since then, once the market starts to come down, you can draw a Fibonacci from this low here. You can see the market actually went up here, right, came down, then went up. It has not come down since then, right? So once it starts coming down, you can draw your Fibonacci line to its peak, to the top here of $8, and then average out the move to enter into the market. So there's the 38% move, so which means by the time the market touches this 0.382, that will be a 38%. By the time the market gets to here, which is $5.30, this will be a 50% move, this will be a 61.8% move, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be placing one at $6. I'm going to be placing another one at $5.30, and then I'm going to be placing another one at $4.50. So there's a chance that the market could retrace and get to these places, or at least touch one of these places before it continues on its merry way to the top. Right now it currently sits at $6.66, and of course if we see Bitcoin sell off some more, or this metaverse cryptocurrency sell off, we could see it hitting between $6 and $4.50. So definitely do that if you want to get into the cryptoverse. But if you don't want to wait for all that and you've never even gotten into Sand token for a while now, then you can definitely get in at present price. But I will tell you to not put all your money right now at its present price. What you can just do is put maybe 10 or 20% of the money you want to put in, and then you can now spread out the remaining at $6 all the way down to $4.50. Remember guys, if you do not understand anything I'm saying, I have made a video explaining how all this works, how to buy, how to set your buy limit, how to set your sell limit, all that stuff. I've explained it already. It's going to be in the description below and at the top right corner of your screen. Now let's take a look at Engine Coin. This is called ENJ. So let's take a look at that. Engine Coin is one that has actually come down in price. That's actually giving us a good retracement, and currently it sits around 50% of the Fibonacci. So it's starting to recover a little bit to $3.84, but it's still down, which means it's a good chance to get into the market. So it fell all the way from $4.85. So if you would like to get into Engine Coin, because this is one of the top metaverse cryptocurrencies, you know, we have Sand, we have Engine Coin, and we have Decentraland, which we'll be looking at next. So if you'd like to buy some Engine Coin, you can buy some right now, and then you can still set another buy limit at $3.45, because if it drops further, it could drop towards the $3.45. So set a buy limit at $3.45, and you can buy some right now at present prices at $3.82. At least that's what the price is when I'm looking at it right now. But if by the time this video is out and it has gone down a little bit or gone up a little bit, it's still going to be a good buy. But make sure you still set another buy limit at $3.42. Alright guys, so let's take a look at Decentraland. This is another one too that has been going up in price for a while now. It has just not slowed down since it has been going up since around 2 weeks ago. And this is also another one that went up all the way since last month of October. It went up all the way from 68 cents all the way to its high of $5.88. So you can see what I mean by these cryptocurrencies have just been massively moving up in price. So by them retracing back down, they are presenting opportunities for us to get into the market. So what to do right now? You can buy some at present prices, because this seems to have already touched the 38% level. So it seems to have recovered from them. So you can buy right now at present prices, and then set another buy limit at the $4 level, and then set another one at the $3.65 level. Because if Bitcoin keeps falling down and these metaverse cryptocurrencies keep falling as well, we could see Decentraland, which is called Mana, right? It's called Mana. We could see it falling towards that $3.65, which would be a great buy. So definitely set your buy limits at those spots, because if the market falls further, we're going to see opportunities and scoop up the market at that price. Now, if you guys have any cryptocurrencies you would like me to review, leave them in the comment section down below. I'm thinking that if the market falls a little bit further and there are more opportunities to be had, I could make a video maybe on Wednesday. So let me know what you guys think about that. And you guys should also still leave the cryptocurrencies that you would like me to review as well, so that I can definitely give you guys an early episode. But let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys like that, I'll definitely give you guys an early episode maybe on Wednesday. For more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button below, click on the notification bell right next to it. I release new videos every week and you'll be the first to be notified when that happens. If you would like to support this channel, which is that are going to be in the description below, I thank you very much for that, and I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.